Which of the following equations has a graph in the xy plane for which y is always greater than or equal to -1? Here we're given different equations that describe a graph. This problem is not testing our knowledge of graphs. It gives us four expressions, and all we're asked to do is to identify which one of the four options will always result in y being -1 or greater. So let's take a look at four of them one at a time. Answer choice A gives us an expression y equals modulus x minus 2. You probably know what modulus x means, but if you don't, let me explain. Modulus x also is referred to as an absolute value of x, which means that no matter what value x holds, whether negative or positive, the output of this would still always be a positive answer. So in this case, we're given an x that converts into a positive version of itself, and then we subtract -2. Let's keep in mind that we're trying to eliminate three of the four answer choices, those options that can potentially result in a number that is less than -1. And looking at answer choice A, we can pretty quickly identify that if x were equal to 0, then y would equal to -2. Thus, we can eliminate choice A. Answer choice B also offers us a relatively easy evaluation. Since we're trying to disqualify answers where y would result in less than -1, let's see, y equals x squared minus 2. We can see that if x squared were equal to 0, then y would be equal to -2 in this expression. Thus, we can disqualify this answer choice. C, y equals x minus 2 squared. This answer choice tests our knowledge of exponents, the very basics of it. We should know that if we have as an exponent an even number, 2, 4, 6, and so on, then even negative numbers squared would result in a positive answer. So this is a good candidate for that situation when we cannot fall below 0, and thus we, of course, cannot fall below -1. Let's leave this alone for now and move on to the answer choice D. Y equals x cubed. Since we're dealing here with an odd exponent, the rule of even numbered exponents does not apply here. So a negative number raised to a power that is odd, in this case 3, will result in a negative answer. So let's try pretty much any negative number and see if we can fall below -1. If we were to try, let's say -2, -2 raised to the third power means that we multiply -2 3 times, and that means that our answer is -8. -8 is clearly less than -1, so we can disqualify answer choice D. Let's take a second look at answer choice C before we confirm it. X minus 2 squared. Any number squared results in a positive answer, so the lowest that we can get is a 0, which is higher than -1. So let's settle on answer choice C, the correct answer.